Hello again, my name still remains Aisha Ochuwa, and today I want to speak to you about what I would rather call the enemies of growth. Now, the way businesses have yardsticks for attaining success and business advancement is the same way there are factors that can drag your business down the ladder. These factors are the enemies of growth. It is one thing to successfully build up the business, but another thing to ensure the longevity of that business. For this reason, visionary leaders must always protect the interest of their business and come up with ways to protect the public image and internal structure. The arrival mentality makes brands, become inflexible. They feel there's nothing else to do, so they do not even pay attention to changing market trends. They forget that new businesses spring up every day, and these businesses that are springing up come with the mindset of dominance. They want to dominate the market space. So they are watching you, the successful business, closely, looking for loopholes, looking for ways, trying to see all your errors and how they can capitalize on that to dominate. And before you know it, you're a topic of the past because there's a new company that is getting all the hype, that has gotten it right, that has capitalized on your own mistakes, added their own knowledge, dominated the market, gotten your customers have shifted. Before you know it, you're a thing of the past.